koyi ne niema mekomu nyina no niema ese a doctor for ne hwese yesu usum brodi anu asum kwadu sa wo akọ hospital do how kono doctor no so na all shelled e bi kra na psychological ofifie ba no niema bi ankoyi ana bibisa we are looking at no crowd the infant tunchan because ofi asem de yemfema adwumem but we are looking at the problems and the challenges that our doctors face in their line of duty. Prof measures here and their working conditions. So a doctor for our gun how come working conditions nibia. We are looking at limited resources and the workforce. Ye patri mani e katre ye doctor for na ya train you more gun han almost papa inadequate supplies, equipment and infrastructure and medical specialists hinder doctors' ability to provide optimal care. And the doctors for no more hand, oko hospital where equipment use supplies infrastructure hospitals ne nyakika ho nyina no eno esua ama ntimi nye juma eso ye no wano na oko asia no so your crowded facilities ebo ho abedru hospital bi ne nipa gu ho bebre but we na doctors be 5 and 6 report to crowd say recent discovery say a doctor is used to 10,450 people in this country. 10,451 doctor.
But who share W
1,320 is your doctor. And not just a doctor for new sakra. Ewo memu I say aban ehwe na yehundie yebeye afa ho and then long waiting times and tisane obeko hospital na nipa gu obebre no ema patients na call on so mo che papa enti ade call ho beduru bia 1 hour esanse nipa gu ho ninti no obeche otama ade call ho obeche enti say enya yare ye emergency pa na ye bibisa ade and you be call anopa no be free ho na ekobo no nsia and you want limited specialization opportunities. That's access to advanced training and specialization programs may be limited, hindering career advancement. Yen doctors for no omunya access to advanced training. Ebi o ha sene opeso okotwa ni programs so ye specialized program bia no you say they are very limited when it comes to that. In terms ntimi career no print common and I said twaso there's no career advancement when it comes to that. And then something like bonding regimes. Bond can restrict doctors' movement to preferred urban areas or private sectors, impacting career choices. And also adebia doctors for no Asia ewo omudwumadie mu a omoyem. And after your attraction and retention. That is talk attraction and retention. I say rural services. Doctors may be unwilling to work in undeserved areas due to limited resources, amenities, and career opportunities. And I went so hard dream papa. A doctor for now almost say ebinumu pese. Never say obia koye some specific area in the health department now. Ayana bebia yedine koto no. Na de na okosua nim de na okosua no bebi na ye de na ekoto no emwa anase the specialty no entimi enhance wo ho. And sometimes they are unwilling to work in the undeserved rural areas. Yes, and no so ye another challenger omo femupa and a low pay and financial inducement. Oh doc I had it enti na de bi omo tuatua no eduru ho a omo sika ese de mom and some financial inducement be some compensation be and limited incentive be contribute to challenges ni bi pa no so say ye hwe na ye kan ho asem na ye workplace environment. The workplace environment no so ye will be to say burnout workload na ye ne doso in the day timi hwe nipa dodo pa but no crowd is ko hwe nipa dodo nenka or what resource now they ye na enka and no problem because me be me call hospital me more hospital need and na me call ye x-ray na me ko twa x-ray ni wie no answer prof be what a dane one almost so lighter. No, the X-ray na shame no more ready. But when the doctor no office will be more, and he has to go out and check it in the outside. Or quabontin answer no correct. And they are limited in terms of resources, and long hours can lead to burnout and stress among doctors. Doctor will be sheni pabi 1,000 in a day, 2,000 in a day. Obe no abre stress. And after you have patient-doctor communication. The poor communication between doctors and patients can negatively impact patient satisfaction and outcome. And it is a big hospital or not communication, only doctor and communication and see paper and also it mima and yema as a doctor and satisfaction as any outcome or onyano and also my anti-language barrier and so yeah another one ye behe ehu asem. And your systemic issues and no ye penny baako kasa obosa asem we so no kasa enyema mienu enema to say yem fan say Tamale Teaching Hospital dey see yen o say enema mienu ene betimi aye factor ye betimi dey yi CEO na dia na say bisa and no boss systematic issues so and no ka say another one so ye yem fan say infrastructure what negligence what onipa no na here systematic issue na and we inadequate funding. The healthcare system may struggle to meet the demands of growing population and expanding healthcare needs. And to say omu ni sika ebo mo ho ema nyema eso mu hia omu thought say nyema e dey check temperature nyema e dey ye because hospital to be o akwa e ba akọ we use now we have we are not the atoa ni nua ba no abe use internal so yeah another one doctors for no FM and lack of infrastructure. Poor infrastructure in some regions can hinder the provision of quality healthcare. And the local hospital facility bia sanye hotie infrastructure sanye omo asese omo nyema ne sanye hotie no and also poor infrastructure and also ma doctors for no adwuma so mo ye ene ne so mo ye ma patients no enso ebeye asem kakra ma yenhwe recommendation sesi ano after say yakọ we nimu nyina we doctors for no problems o makom nyina we no recommendation ye edema yemfa ne say aban anase wiase nyina we are looking at retaining medical professionals now saying yes a doctor for no etu kwan pa na saying report scratch say 50% of doctors and 24% of trained nurses are currently working abroad. So we report that to see 50% are doctors and 24% are trained nurses abroad because of poor working condition. And recommend say we should retain our medical professionals. In so doing, we should provide them with good working condition. And then also we are looking at strengthening healthcare financing. Also, to futubia ebebo omo ban say omo peskebia omo djuma ombenya ewo ho. And then we are also looking at supporting professional development. Establish continual professional development programs, particularly for doctors in rural areas. Omo wo yen class no. I was see a professional programs, professional development programs bia ebeboa omo ama omo so omotimi enhance omo adwumadi a omo di wo and ye can infrastructure and resources. I see as we invest into the healthcare. Ama ye infrastructure ni ye niema ye woni ye betumi use no aye adwuma a doctor for no eye. Enti na prof ye hwem ana ene de mutimisi sabai ni. That's right.
Oh, okay, so that's amazing job you guys are doing. Research my member my basso because it support for God Encounter Jumedi. So we want to say kudos to you. That's but I want you to be here. There's a conversation I'm ever says here. Na your name the public relations officer for the Ghana Registered Nurses Association and Midwife. We're talking about Joseph Krampa and then you read on Sompa 106.5 106.5 market your pap. All right, Joseph Krampa. Ya ma kwa baba ejumedi eso.
Ya mo minia.
Na apom ti say. Good. And rather, yeah, show be a waha. Now, so no, yes, that at Tuma, Yenetia for 1 year at Taba Hospital, no. How bensa and Omishia, a year, Ayarsa, who do a Wagana Memo Henina. And in fact, some of them came out saying, say, I told the dear, Ubedu hospital, baby. Now I said, Ness, Nibio, as a own few cry. Few cry, and I say, Ebian on the phone, a crano, or she phone, so now, sir, attended to patient. And again, some other people, a crack can say, one go hospital, the crana, I told the dear, prescription cry, Yadia Mom cry, say, Omunje, no one compare Bruno. A guidance, Papa be anywhere. I was a Edison. But before you know, now I'm a wrong prescription. Then also a sample for crowd, and then nipa bear 3, in my bear 3. Maybe I chose so musu radio is on rano. Mama producers and appetites and they are watching. None more ding. And your piano or rock crampa. Sign up with Jume Dino etie. And so we share a year and someone and no yenity for the 2 year more. Etesa na etesa then the man basa.
Yo, me da se akwanya idea ma men chia Sompa 106.5 na. Abochie na me boa.
Oh, they be where you were Accra.
Accra. Oh, okay.
Where Sompa Accra. But show no live on Sompa Techiman. I live on Sompa Takwa.
Now, you're dealing a Ghana registered nurses and midwife association.
Okay, that's fine.
Many are some of Okano, Fabino and Nocre. Now, Nocre, and say, Sabi, Yasifidia, men's Friday, a woman. Yajuma no Omra, Yadi Juma. Now, nurse need beer, I didn't have to see beer movie. I tried the professional adjustment. Yes, I dear, Krama de Wo, Bepulum, Kakra, the Wo, Bunan, Jena, or Buafato. Be a very person, with your reaction. Sompa FM. I'll go to the Bafato, but a bimu of war. A bimu of war. At the end, a bimu of war. You are now to buy your mother, the young Casano. You go hospital, cry, now you slow. Now, nurse in 6 years, and to say, almost say, Sabi, Obinko ha, Yarefo. Yarefo air bay. And yes, I did a pilot on one on Esa Washer. Obi American, what about the feeling that what did not to doctor? If they are not in Mao school, my say for power more. Meaning now, ordinary. And it is a 1 more what you now call Nimu Kakra. Now, concentrate on the complaint of the fan. If you come and answer, Yarefo for making about the attention, or down in our and the nurse in the city, Bianiwa, Akiti, Akadana, Nipa Dia, let me Dia Wagana has it. For your mobile and patient. Your patient chapter Wagana, as a patient in the hospital, or take prep, or you're right, he's always. It is a video, yes, sir, means being cut and yes, I'm here. And so maybe a phone now send them a person with some.
Yeah.
Never do what? A dropping me at Krana, and I did dinner, Yadia Bar. And there might be all to me, Kyle, who said, a drink almost patient in money, the side effect, I saying. It's what that go our phone local. I'm waiting. Every month for a while, Jamaica send you to Crown or more kind of the other personal issue to make them justify. And here to be concerned our phone. Issues, but your critical issues are there. The procedure do what says the same nurse in we yet. And what I am talking about phone, they are only a procedure, and they are professional, you know. And I can't say who know what you use. It is a maximum for us, yeah. Can't be so many of my again. Now, the Tombia, Abane said, you might a mom blood doctor, no, I told me that nurse before. Yes, you need back with your family or shell our ward. Not the Awaba or shall be people die and for show what you know. If you are about the alcohol for our secretary, who now put us out the time. Well, you know, the authority now you could rule. It is only young naturally, no. nneɛma bi bɛba abɔnten a wobɛgyina so aka sɛ ebi ana wagya ba deɛ wo yɛɛyɛ no deɛ ebi ana wo nka
na sɛ asɛ meba obi ntwa no so ba asɛm wɔ a wɔkɛn mo nurses no ankasa no yɛde mo afa nteteɛ mu obi a wɔyade a wɔba ayasa bia no saa nipa no hunu sɛ na adwen no ɛkɔ off kakra o enti saa nipa no kra bɛda su bi kra de kyerɛ wa ɛsan sɛ woyɛ nurse ni a yɛde wafa nteteɛ mu nti no ɛwɔ sɛ you would have to accommodate the person and I ntɛ saa
medase bebree ɛno na meka sɛ professionally no yɛtriti yɛ but ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ nipa no yɛ procedure emergency na wɔbɛka w'asɛm a na ato ansɛ sɛ wogyae baako no deɛ no kɔ ɛti bi kyerɛ wɔ sɛ mo nso nipa no nso ti adeɛ bi ase kakra ma no saa no na memeka but ɔyɛ sɛ oyi n'ani wɔ fiw koraa deɛ ɛno deɛ ɛyɛ professional but professionalism a yɛde atrɛti no nkyerɛ sɛ ɛta meyɛ procedure wɔ obi mogya atwi no na mekam so the cat is nipa who say wa hanti no ninja won no de no na be ya
eno de say wa we patient eno de debit you eno de say we patient you can go and be deciding for a year the was a nurse in a year that is not your job
the cat otimi otimi cat mami aduro we wo de yare aba ye hwe aduro ya de be ma no na be tira aduro ya de be ma entimi ama no enye nurse so nkwa ni be tira afle mu wo men can't say you're 100% correct. But I told maybe at my before the Obujan, the cancer first there, you put to before hospital will be now may come a rotation. Emergency, I didn't call him. As a man made on this accident, emergency law condition, and yes, I will be matter. They say, oh,
debut. That's some man.
Do you have to leave your work and go?
Meba. Oh, say, many would didn't come on. Premise be a made start here. Me the bed. Me say, Obia wa yadia, no children now, all by hospital. Who says only panel, and I dream and shed down now. Because Nipano, I want a huchrim. Nipano ever you know ye ya omontino wo ba hospital wa mu na wa someone kasa no mu just
I first say that 17 years bia me di kaka say obi yare no this thing the ade na eba don't think only about the thing your friend is saying between ya na there are other things that bia go through me can
but the other things now what can you know at least you should have referred to the fact that psychologically you know Sandy Panakrano on your saying
the main turn is it true that Obi are about to know well I didn't say public and your presenting this letters one in here but in the system I am come one say very good they don't come out like criticism in your mobile never can we a pressman.
Now, sir, why would him say? Why would him say bad news there is a little good news? I never boy. Well, you know, bad news sells. Because me bow hospital, no, you're my me, yeah. I'll be offended. Now, you're offended, I'll come out and no never sell it. But Papa, they buy yam in the day. They make a chow and say, Yamin Shrow. Now, me can't want some idea. Because you get me
professional, you know, you're training nice. As to be back as between near Madia and yet on duty that man, and will cry as a the battle. But my ticket I say, be more tolerance, I say, you know, be honest and with tolerance in your
yeah.
Who got a young Bruce? And the man not reacting in the way now, I'm professional. And because some nurses, human and Katan 15 nurses, no, some who call me a one and go to the patient at them. Means justify that, you know. But me just be nothing. President Timamu being about the 6 services. Not a nurse to also Cassatin or more near Mabita. A bit more, yeah, no,
okay, but would you accept the fact, sir? Says I should the nursing professional or Honmuna. A beau crana. And yes, a nurse and Casan and all Pepe say, Opus or Cocoye. Nemum, a be a Juma any Hontino. Now say, Mammy Funk for nursing Cacrana Mincoye. Say yes, sure, Mummy Florence Nightingale. What the nurse in there by na? Who should is soon in the bina? Now the tutu a year, Nancy in my idea name Rante one. What do you say? Do be a bob bracrow, and I ain't sa.
Oh, me that's a minia. I'm some okay, I am back. Medical say next appropriate of the buy. Some model or the two one and money develop to take in the time, changes in the time. So now you improve the life of the people. But there were individual view of what almost soon a kita woman. And you nurse in no more here. And the almost entity and then upbringing the minima and on more person in nursing me. Nipa no about the same way, you as in the aka. Number one, they say with their original responsibility. Yes, that's a professional conduct. Professionalism, what you know. Why you are accordingly.
But Abochie said there are some wrong people within the nursing profession now.
I mean to me, and Kata because obviously me a mistake. Obviously, me, I suppose you could be people Registered Nurses Association and midwives. And
yeah.
Something like a Jumano, it's me a doctor crack you. A drone man, who those cries, I say, Nipano Fano, or Cherabro, area for the address, no from 5 minutes, and not what you're in those. But nurse in the for sign for catching the doctor and said, you're okay, and I day. So, I know correcting, and I know it's just a doctor near bonnet. And here, you must turn on the give your mental. Mr.
Sa Bena Ubu says, yes, a Fiebiano mensam woman. Me patoanya sanity. A Fiebia mensam a womb, a cacabinsam womb, a Fiebiano mensam womb, a cacabinsam a womb.
I have Abochie classes.
I have Abochie classes, right? Okay, so I want to find out from you. And you know, being the PR for the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwife Association, what challenges and problems ben amoso mo pa mo how pa and anything?
Yeah, that was it. Yeah, you kona yati no. Kona yati as Nurses and Midwife Association no. Aya nurse for aduma ye for aban afa wo mo. And that's mo ye aduma for nurse for midwife for Ghana. Ya do mo ati eku. Eti di etika welfare for our members. Aya be hwe so mo aduma ye no bibi akwaso kama mo mo ka tia ye bibi aye kama. And the bottom, Palano, and my phone, Obi, and so for ya, Bibia, and Yan Kwanswa, and not your who can say, you didn't come back, so the setting of the crown, you better recommend it. That's not make a council, and your recommendation. And then the other will be up there in the Juma. Now, currently, I hear Casamo, and your condition of service was there. I buy your conditions of service, but the negotiations in there. Or my shadow, or implementing your management. But you have to say, I'm say, almost by my bank of Akolo, way by and I can't
for 80. Now, a bimu ebetimi than the patients are on betimi ba eye moya sabia. And again, 1 year 8 years no so no e bi betimi nurses wotie. Before I be jama akokra for futuma sa 2 groups of people in Yanko.
No, but after medical nurses, so I nurses are coming out the casino. I tell that yes, our most a year diet is to go like a person achieve what they to save life. The winter life will be a while, and none of the other day, but to a peaceful death. Yeah, now you're being by the uncle through no message. Nyama ye tired to say we don't care. I don't care if you be away move to my that is not what you are called to do. When humanitarian patient needs to be and you be of the branch the big bro so now the year did a bro professionally report the issue to your next superior. No munkasa don't act in the way say any good profession anymore. They are taught to be let's try a beg ya it's a nurse need the IUB Sata. That's like a Mumpan. Now you need from so nearby. Now your best friend said, if you didn't have not the work on that or not, because I can't see the Amaya, the money for my Yantia. The Uki is the nurse in Yella, the 9 this are the pioneer or now got a position, ma'am. Now you can help it. But she's saying, you know, we are enough. I remember a Juma to be possible, a
Ora Joseph Krampa, you better was a person nevi, Wama Hokwama any wedding come up. Bichi Adrian, you besaba, a year when China Baba Jim Moy, Nemum, they may catch a bunyana say, a Adjubre. Just say, I don't about hospital. Munso must say, Yen Koda. What I say, Yen Kodang, but we are not Mutian, I don't have drink. Mutian, hard drink. Nasa catch the guess and say, guess now we are necessary. Mayana Wabemun say. Say about hospital now one more shaying. Omu phones no omu fan to baby kakra. Omu phones no omu fan to baby kakra. Because hard drink ba.
Professionally no brahma who can say we use phone no kra. But tell the American no.
Yeah.
The big yes. I say offering doctor. So the big case we manage the same. But you just don't do that no far. And that's the fact that you are
all right, Maminda was pa Joseph Krampa, you better was a passer, and then we wama hokwama yenu edin komo. Ora Joseph Krampa, PR Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association. And I'll tell some edin komo. For God and country, you be live here. And you know, I was here. What the best remo? Munchong to one semna. I have branche I can't has say. Or said to the BIA team for cry a about hospital. A do baby, so home too much. Such a bright autumn in China, me producer. Now, she said your tear, said the walk. Or you are called hospital. Then we have a commodity, they say. Biakasa Bidia is a brother from afar. We've not met before. The Rafa Japon. That's the pa Unimkasa Bruta. Oh, yes, solid. Now, Unimadia so na dream mudo. Yeah, na dream mudo. You got also time we now to care when Lady Vitamin China. Now it's you one of the networks. Now, lady say, hey. I rented him in I know I ran a crack, I kept up one you. And I'm saying, me, I'm a trick idea, me, dear. Oh, Ralph, the grandmother got to you. Ralph, the grandmother got to you.
I see.
What the phone to say?
Patch up me here and I was way.
Maybe I find it.
I'm my own queen.
Oh, we're nice man. We're nice. Nice man. Nice.
But that's it.
Now, Kennedy, what to say? Kennedy, the one what to say?
No way.
Wow. Now they know so Kasa. Renting it's in Kasa at you.
Sir, you say you more 10 cents of Kenya Pong into Ogeno.
Okasa obey from so.
There be
not better money.
I don't party for only being a Becase. A sin. Okasa see a Becase who I had there, but they drew time. Party no. Omoko elections or else will be Kubino. Yamulebu is any sense no.
Ah,
you are not the defending party.
So has there been an instance? What can be beer? I could done a send beer party no use no against Kennedy Japan.
Oh, of course, some primaries. MPP primaries. And
Yeah.
in fact, they came out with a brochure. I don't know listing of my baby. But Nina was in defense of the MPP. And he, what's national dream? Me dear Muslim Penipa. Afi me kasanso a wosi my head. And you kokwa nansi.
Oh,
Wa me ho.
and you get on Casabio.
Oh, a do so be kasa.
Yes. Basa na pomodinge.
Oh no hodin pa.
The ten and catch.
And no crew me no donation or MPP party office.
Oh, donation be na ko here.
In fact, workers ni BM say na for the past some time now, I'm say market to ane akamu.
Hey,
And okoye okoma 1 million cedis. Say omo fan settle party no employees or more salaries ni ada.
ewo party headquarters.
Oh, party headquarters, yes.
Wow.
Internet and then okrum. It was
Wow.
oh.
Tina party ni nyes ken tua omukana. Wa djuma ifo no mo ho na party ni nyes ken tua omuka.
Say oko election na lusu we ade chen opposition. To opposition no cross we here. Sa na friend no. Enti why na family why ni nyam djuma.
Now when you di animu leading the party in the 2024 elections, and were they not aware of this situation?
Oh, munim. It's in a maybe position, they say, personally.
Yeah.
You don't need them again.
Also position or no?
Yes, personally. Now, Obi a coach or the team Champions League. Just ana mokano. And I say World Cup. Now I lose say. Ni asa maintain you. Ebi ana team ni young players and I will build it. Other than that, power. Already now 4 years now, second term. You are perceived to be an experienced coach. Now, say so they should go. They should go.
Wow. Okay, so back to the donation at Kennedy Koye or party office one then. How did the leadership of the party receive the Okoye?
Oh, no more almost everybody. Almost can come at us. No mudi nkomo kama.
Only mudi nkomo.
No mudi nkomo kama. Na me knew because now me so another assignment, but I knew because I no partner me who no. Na the team number around that omo kwakwa donation no. How we are they will continue to the Western region for the thank you tour.
But all this online na me so ma me na me kwa amaro so na me ni the third national vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party. Ura Masoud ND Nkomo. Ura Masoud let us say
where
the Wakasa Unia, Chocho Munchuni, Kobla Abochie, formerly of Classic FM.
Yeah.
Is it was some power cry?
Okay.
Now, so who you dear?
Oh, Jamadum, the Cromo.
Hey, Miss Nano Pan, I'm a press conference. Now, Mike, see when you know what Pierre Mike not to baby, say, hey, I mean,
I don't
I say, na me ne pa dem pa da waye. Dem pa da me chairman aye.
Enye.
Na chairman sa de no wo hwe nsem a amanfo kafa ho na nya bia no wonu hu sa wo yes ade na na.
Me atira kura mo ba ya mbetu mbe ya dia me ya mbe ya bi.
Ah. Wo so atira kura mo ba wo ba sa ye bi.
Atira kura mo so ba ya program mo. Pia Mike no. Better Pia Mike no the same team out of them.
Say TV3 Omia.
Now in Sanche for time be when nim say be bu pese ya kasa na ya mo dia na time bia mo pese mo bi say asem. Asam we enya me every me Alhaji Masaudi enya say every me office wo. Every the entire MPP it is there. This thing unanimous decision from the party say Yenny TV3 for your head ya boycotted TV3. Yenny TV3 for the assembly. Now be say let me know would you go but me know who go be adi. Me fear man ba me fear. Me ya ma dia me friend. Also we ya dia man friend me. Party no aba bonti aka kira amansan na ka kira Ghana for say MPP ni TV3 ya kurta pa ya ran sai no muka. So I say TV3 respected the will of MPP. But someone who respected the will of MPP, not Professor Abochie, because we are the biggest, another way we are the biggest TV station in Ghana. Move you see force, na bra, or be was see, man, bano the program or invite you. Now we use force aba. Again. So I am the one saying, the Ghana Journalists Association, the code of conduct, follow and so say, as a journalist, if you are not invited in any program, you shouldn't do what? You shouldn't go there. Program no TV3 you invite you more. Mike invite you now, platform you invite you now, take it before you know you invite you. They were there. Their marks were there. Obian who was tempting anybody microphone. But TV3, we have no any business with you. You invite you. You catch us say your program. You hear me say mumba cover your program. na adan mo pese mo kire ho diri na mo be kire ya na TV3 adan. You see, that is the case. Because media general said that the mobile when they invite them, when they have invitation letter say Mombra.
Sompa FM.
No, between no boo and the fee. No boo and the fee. No, see, Massa, I don't know boo and the fee. Abra, I go near. Man from me fee, I don't over them me fee. And also Ghana ha a bear bonnet. Mempo me fee, a bear bonnet. And young day. My name say Ghana Journalists Association. This is the selective justice. Let me have your the opportunity to speak to Ghana Journalists Association president.
Okay.
Maybe some president, you know, I see police for one you know. Say what the Ghana have Abra Media General Captain Smart a catch Ghana for you and say. Obia what call to Aba 7 December no to Aba 2024 no to Abama MPP bia oya kwafia Obia what to Abama MPP oya Jimmy for me bisa Ghana Journalists Association this president because of on to Abama MPP on ka akwasia for Captain Smart did what on my time Intena. Me see me Captain Smart Media General TV3 me program so no see police NNT police form be chime. Massa, we are way it has reaching to the high level of hypocrisy, to the high level of injustice, to the high level of selective justice.
And alaje mami bisa anya bia omudi krata ne ba bonten a eche se aposifo embeche no anya bia na aposifo no omato om nsa frɛ wana
police amfrɛ me
obi amfrɛ
na mino the ambia me won say the banner democracy attorney to attack the banner Nipa right program no a national program a MPP the New Patriotic Party program a mission party no mina media third in command national and yet constituency and yet regional national third vice chairman and mina mita here the in charge of operation at the headquarters. So if we decided unanimously, collective decision by the party, not to let TV3 to participate, in fact, in any program of the New Patriotic Party. So Adani said, a crime. Adani said, police won't be here. So the police won't be here. Nami Kacha said, TV3 Mumbra program be covered.
Now, I'm saying that statement now. The normal part change na say who issue threat to the journalist says almost see program as here. Umfanche omo.
Anya na kura tie the day me ka say TV3 tie me see TV3 nim no mo ba your platform ba didi acham dia ya bebu. That day me ka ya na host to ma remind me. No host to ka alayi obebu omo dia I tried to know okay, but my two sign. Within 1 minute to make cut some no. Saburu na me two sign me buno.
Okay.
Then a phone you know shoot a video near the hall. Would you see a video and say my two sign and I'm in two sign. Oh, na buno me two sign. Now me say buno dear my two sign. I know dear my carry my two sign. But TV3 ever buy a program dear la. Me mummy who say my head. But pull it out their mic, and tomorrow next 1 year, 10 years, buy a program. I will pull it again.
Okay, so TV3 for that's a media general for Bam Mwasweye. Na wamu di achopa edi bremwa. Mubejatum.
Oh, wamu di achopa Abraham say. Oh, the anaka Captain Smart can say obi a otu Abama MPP o ya kwasia we Jimmy Foro on carry ye. TV3 media general PHA and Canada. Now you find you for
ATS say, after TV3 who no mistake. That kind of ridiculous attitude to know. That kind of ridiculous attitude to know. Now, after we are political party. So, you know,
Alaji Masaude, Mami Mbisa, Sa chopa na omo be pa ye no. Omo di gu krata so na omo di bre eye mwamanyoku na na.
Why? Omo chopa bi amba o.
Omo fa krata bi amba.
That when does it chop? On very first chop. When Captain Smart did the attempt, John Hughes too did the attempt no. Captain Smart say, "Obey you see media general a good MPP." So obey good. Now, me obi say me the platform e be good agro we no me the good agro no or me the good political party no. That's by ne do say. Since you obey good party there nim say who be good party. There is several ways nipa betema good party. There is several ways obi betema ekotia. Obe good party no tuo no di be good party ni. Aduro no di be good party no. When buy no di be good party no. Wow.
Ati Jama Masure, say no Ghana Journalists Association for press statement and I release no mo yeah. One more kase yembe kire wo no. Say no Journalists Association no then I wo ka kire omo. O pa ma to na sa wo ye den.
Me no tio, me ka kire the president of Ghana Journalists Association say. Me amo me no kasa no. I'm a product of journalism institution. Me am a master at the GIJ, Ghana Institute of Journalism. That is where I did my master's degree. I did development communication there. I know the ethics and the code of conduct that govern journalism in Ghana here. Me, National Trade Vice Chairman, I respect humility. I respect institution. I respect civil society. I respect the entire Ghanaians as a whole. Me no be me arrogant person. Humility, no, I respect it. So, me to me back assembly ebe gezi journalism. But adia me ya no. Enter anka Ghana Journalists Association president no. But the time Captain Smart did about 41% of Ghanaians who voted for MPP. Say omunyina aye kwafiafo, omunyina aye jimiko no. Na ya expect to say Ghana Journalists Association president no or issue a warrant say omun chief Captain Smart because ultimately you see our platform no and did Ghana for them. But on yes na Diana me say me person TV3 ba me program ti and I'm a fully TV3 mic free me program me friend no program TV3 ya invited them ti because MPP ya opposition ti and ti on be chimi because me buy me power
ati Germany says ya no
no president no no na what power only the police for only the IGP for on be chimi to say akoko done if you on be chelo
ati Germany says apostle for me bo we dem sre me ba ma membrembi we dem mesro ati say apostle for no two omonsa e de frɛ wa wo be kwa na
one say me a Ghana ni I'm bound to any investigation to any call by the mandatory security of the state. Nigeria honor no. OSP frame in Beko. BNF frame in Beko. IGP frame in Beko. Obia police frame in Beko. IGP you know I am my brother. I am madam fo. Minimum no nyanda na minimum since we are regional commander. Minimum no nyimi I don't know that minimum kitwa. Bra, me pao na be see me nko. I respect him as the IGP. You see, but crime no Abochie. Ma course no ana DNT no mbechi me da ni na ya me sad adina me say why Ghana Journalists Association.
Yeah. Now, me say asem be to dwa kra dan anka one kasa obefre president no we bizan say identina what is our information about because said they all patch
me brother me the way the ma wo ye no me hu say professor me no professionalism no is a key to every step. Because he's competent, that is why he has been selected to this rank as the president of Ghana Journalists Association. Miko school before from first year Miko school, I read much about the duties and then the work of president as a president of Ghana Journalists Association.
Okay, that's fine.
Because one day, maybe me get a hold of now.
Bet me about the president of the Ghana Journalists Association.
Yes, one day maybe me bet me about the president of Ghana Journalists Association because I'm the product. I'm a product from that.
You are a journalist par excellence, trained by GJ. Medasi.
How many of them, even those those calling themselves they are journalists, how many of them have my certificate? Certificate me what? Master's degree certificate legally from GIJ. How many journalists in Ghana here had my no Dr. Smart Kano? I'm for the certificate in Nambra. Let me find my certificate in Nambra. I have 2 masters. I have masters in agribusiness. I have masters in development communication.
You are challenging Captain Smart, sir. On find the certificate in Ghana also forward the
certificate. The HSA were journalists. Or a journalist, over the certificate in Brana. Me go school Abochie, me Kuromo, me Accra campus, GIJ, the main campus, old campus, Hona me call me school.
Okay, Chairman, now thank you, Toro, and Yabiano. About party in the thank you, Toro, now mobile corner. I hear the new patriotic party, lady. I'm on Cabo Maya.
Unity party.
I couldn't tell me besides a question and say, I quite say 1 year, during the presidential primaries, a Bimono, I say, Diamo, as a Modiba projected, Dr. Mahmoud Baomiape.
As a party vice chairman, no. Samiti said, Obikasa, Mbekasa, Nipakuro, he is not fair to the former vice president of the republic. And then our 2024 presidential candidate, which means Nipano are not fair to him, and he is not fair to even the party. Let me tell you something.
Tell us.
History. The party has a history. This is not the first time the party, together with the outgoing flag bearer, going for thank you talk. Wow. This is not Kufuor 1996. Kufuor call even 92. Adubohi call honum no. Onko ye. Adubohi enya abano. Adubohi ye thank you talk. With the party. Kufuor 1996. Yawura Kufuor, the former president. Yekwa akansie Kufuor ni Rollins no. Rollins winning Kufuor. But yesa ba to restructure the party no. Kufuor the party no. Aya the echo thank you talk. Then say ya okay 2008. 2008. Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, the then candidate Akufo-Addo. You got 2008 election. What kind time election? Whether time decided what kind?
Say elections.
After time declaration, no. You to me win it. You 90. You 49%. Now you to me win it. Now end this in your 50 plus 23,000 votes. So after within that same year, no. Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, but then candidate Akufo-Addo, no. Only party no could thank you to in the name of the candidate Nana Addo Akufo-Addo. So today, what is the difference? What changed? Say, Yako Abba, Yanina, Anobako, Yako presidential election, Yako presidential promise, not party na yi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Bawumia na yadi call 2024 presidential election. Yako yeno, nyame emma kunumdie. Yako yeno, yenye 41%. 41 yeno, yabafie within this era no. Na say party no so na Bawumia no so organize a 10-key tour like his colleagues, his senior flag bearers. Omoye 10-key tour no. Na in there party no so be 10-key tour no. Na different yet. So what is the difference now?
Okay, so we say
who can say the project nipa baako there. Why is it that Titino who can say nde ana eya Bawumia no nti na yesa
sana nebo chairman sana ebi mo eka but no ye ne chairman aye buti aye mo first national vice chairman edi nkomo ofidie ha me pesa nka obetie ne nkomo kakra so that you react to it nti gina so ma the new patriotic party
die waguo no eno na wutwa sompa
also can be actually catch him awa meba ho
ebi ne chairman buti ekan
yeah
General Secretary, me, take it from me. 101. Or catch me say, Obe make sure say, you reckon the bill solution.
Okay.
And yet,
where they be patrol, where they be slow. And right, you need Chairman Bute, Din Komono. Chairman Bute, I can say, I had the national executives Ninano. I was a Muninano, yes, Sakamo, because a Juma Yadishamon Sasa, Monshana Munyana party in Din Kunimino. Went me and share Ama party in Din Kunimtino. I was here Pamunina.
Oya panyino wa party no. Oya mi boss wa party no. In the absence of chairman no, Uncle Nuna obey national chairman of the party. Now, as a chairman of the party, ukasa sa. Ebi me video ni me friend no. Me friend no see, onu na adwini no kire. Obi asu ni ho obetema astopono abra o na adwini. Yes. Sa national officers ya fairly dia onu buti onu first vice chairman no onu na edi kan so onu na first vice
because onu dia oje to mu say onu dia wa fairly me pete no na ma ba kire
onu na fairly ye dia yan fairly ye odim sometimes panyini we are panyini you should learn how to speak but lack of communication technical know-how no obi betima kasa na akire no kasa we no sanu no because unim enyete uko electing na uko lusu election no enu kire say wa faili ana enu kire say wanya wo nema yiye.
Okay, so before me ma to aso no ohia chairman Bute we no nu ana
yeah me see asawo kano media minim say wa no ho say o ka ta atam no tie ma me ma wo to wo de nyabotre na tie me asam na wo bi sha bi nyabotre na tie me won say your social media we me no kasa ya du ba bi obi beto atwa asam bi no di tu social media na ya propaganda nyabotre na me pasal lande me see panyini en kasa ta na enye say we are party leader muko electing na ma winning which means ma faili enu nkire sa NDC I said katia our party no over 25 years I said katia was a general secretary yako election 2000 no MPP winning NDC for mpama said katia yako election 2004 NDC lusu ye NDC for mpama said ka o mun kate I said ka lusu 2000 no o ma felinti Omaja Yamo. Until yesterday election 2008. 2008. Okay, I'm a Shedun Katakura say. 70 as far as on see MPP Akoyi Comfort Dunson. Ya transfer Akoyi a Comfort Tachemwa Bako. Ya 208 na Lucy election and Sana NDC Ataba Baimo. NDC Baimo na Shedun Katakura General Secretary. NDC Shedun Katakura General Secretary ya call election 2016 na NDC for Asedu Katana leader as a general secretary. Yet 2016 no NDC lusu ye. Yantisa NDC for ba say Asedu Katana or the abanu kono or lose or failure or this. Omojano. Yet 2020 still na Asedu Katana general secretary. 2020 no Asedu Katana ne NDC nya lusu abano. Almost still maintain I said Uketia until Yabeko 2024 election. Now I said Uketia almost from General Secretary Kura, almost promoting to national chairman of the party.
And you know,
Tanka MPP. Na yasa anka ya amapamu da. Jombodu we need power 2 times my. Ofeni omopamu. So, pam no. MPP for SAYSH. Now, even though Minkasa or Munja Crawford, but SAYSH experience to a count. But the Buddha Kasa, who we have first vice no Kasa, which means first vice the war role will play, what I will play will roll here. But media as that third vice there. I play my role. Very well. It's only that Nyamine Maya minimum with or without this current administration. The current administration Boma Party, inshallah 2028. I'm telling you, Sayena, the party no co-position, you better the party no ever power.
Okay, and you know, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na mode neba 2028 nana.
That I know they are meant to said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia the bar and Mr. A and Mr. B delegates, you know, and I bet you let me sure say the delegates know the party will rally behind the flag bearer and 2028, you know, the beg power free this kind of terrorism, free this kind of NDC threat to democracy, free this kind of harassment.
Okay, but who supported Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia? Is that really true?
I'm
say who supported Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia? Is that really true?
Why the cancer?
Ate someone yate bisa.
But obia o kajo say me na me Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia picture egu me adam me national officer. Even that is the reason why you have called 2024 election. Your cultural national officer should be neutral. Nobody should declare any support to any candidate. He who declare his support to any candidate, the party don't need the
very well.
If you want to say me supporting Mahmoud Bawumia because me are not ordinary. Bawumia me brati, we supported him. No, and yes, party no. Yeah, you bomb person. Yamingi obi wo be party no maya.
Maminda was say na before I me jawa akọ no se akra me nya ne say mo party headquarters on akra na honorable Kennedy Japan aba be donation bi ama eye party no nipa bi mu a na wo mo office wo mo ye adwuma na wo maketuam emma no a e ka mu no ene waba mo party office ho aba be tue sika no e de ama wo mo ntia a enya no e no kra na
eye no kra onu say your opposition. After your opposition, no, I say opposition need the same power. So sometimes the party will have no opposition. I do every war. Obia betuma adoye ma party. And church party ni mitkawo. Obia nu say MPP there. And yes say yenya anya force MPP ya sika because you now have 90% of the MPP businessmen. That is why the NDC buy omo harasi business insure omo hweto eye omo agima no obi agima asem na hia omo saa no na ebe push omo to opposition so obia edi ne adoya ba unje last month no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Bechia party no Emma party no 1 million Ghana cedis ya mimi hu ne no oma party no 1 million Ghana cedis share yan fan ka ho na hedan yan tua kakaka yan ma party for ndura na omo di share ni ya platform share ya wura kan Japan so share obebi steer our party headquarters na kure then the time bi otimi ba abebi steer nyan dana obe donation ma party no oye donation several times so in there around 10 no a.m. they won say Kennedy original Japan to buy oba ye need to come kama even I am the say or no kasa say this time around we pay or preach peace and unity because our GDS say that Mahmoud Bawumia na winner on here or Mahmoud Bawumia here no only no crofone na sanyame ya dum na ono su kana Japan na winner Mahmoud Bawumia so here kana ono su here Mahmoud Bawumia ne support na because at the end no ye nyina na ye dan ye MPP o here general secretary ka assembly I am very distinct key notice here you not taking it serious the general secretary of the party Justice Report could just say we shouldn't look at ourselves thinking that within ourselves we are enemies to each other. No. Our big enemy today out there is the NDC.
Alhaji Masawood, my friend common in see. You better was
it's the NDC.
Yeah, but I say. Say you 2 years afro no oje pene na oni edin komo. Bibichi Adrian, Alhaji you best about one chain. You best say, Ajobre. We need TV3 for the Ajobre. Why? Omo press conference. I'm going to invite you on normal background, but Mike, the main piano from you. Why? But sad now, yeah. Now, we part in penny for now. We say high table. Roche Nibia no more the show. I find you back minority leader. I find you back party no. Party chairman, leader of the party. I found out decided their party to be party no na here decided here more party no be mo shada na mo dream sa de no ho mo nwene ho odem na mo ba bonte
shada o TV3 na mpe o mo sanka ko bisa afoyo marking de ka chere che afoyo dia Alhaji Masaudi ya no wa foso ana wa foso na ti dia obeka kira o ada ko bisa general secretary che ada mi ya no wa foso ana wa foso na ti dia obeka kira
enti no mo nyina afo aso ho
ada wa foso anya ya nyina foso anya nyina na bokotu omu station omu didi atano omu si obi wokotu abama MPP o yakwase no mi ma tu abama MPP enti mi yakwase afonyo atu abama MPP o yakwase
Alhaji Masaudi
atu abama MPP o yakwase
Alhaji Masaudi you better was why Yami sure pa Yami sure bibichi adwen be sa ba onche why yo Sompa 106.5 FM market you pa da Alhaji Masawood and artist yeneni edin komo ono the third national vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party. Raf, Japan, Kafra. Oh, facha me. Raf, facha me. Rafi, ayabiara noa. Yane chairman butu edin komo. Mepe se obeti san komo kakra. Ansana yebetwa yejumedie no so. Within the national executives of the party, Obia on the Chafa.
Well, yeah, Obia to maybe Obia to Obia.
Let me find out from you. Are all the national executives of the New Patriotic Party happy about this? Thank you, Thor.
Well, whether you are happy or not, I was all called because party don't have to say again.
So you agree with me that there are some people in there, part of the national executive, are happy?
Oh, and I can tell you for sure because you know we are the president in our economy. How do we get will be happy? No.
So
but once I had our parliament, What parliament, let's say, about taking decision. I think they want people. They will flip you online. So there's nothing wrong with that.
So would you agree to that section says Sani Pana woman happy with this particular thank you tono? They might either be supporting Ken or other of the aspirants.
I mean, I'm sure that was a 2 year now. Nina uncle about the one day. I just almost 1 minute. So if you don't do it as a one more control, it was there for 25. And that doesn't work.
And the chairman who says I thank you toy and fancy Chemumbremu party Nibio.
David.
And I be Musaka say, Moamuya National Executive, one Casagrano, so I thank you, Tono, Moody campaign, the Amamo for the next elections.
Me, National Executive,
National Executive,
me, I said, but Pamu be a mecano. You. Yeah, they have 137 among your vessel. You go for being count. We are killed by 88. And yet we are going to I was saying, French people don't have some party. Party will be there. I was saying, good party no China already. I need to get bigger people to. Party ya breho, if you tell us about that tell me. You have flat 137, you have 88. And then when you would you have one of us. And I'm going to have everyone in the other. But I'll have to channel pass for bra.
And that's a serious one, being the first national vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party.
Sure. Obia executive member now. How many so go then you go to meeting one non party here. There's all party no donor or party no I will walk over. Who go just say something about. Because I'm saying that I put out my lose here and look over what you may lose. There's some national officer who can tell no. What would you know? I didn't now was one day. You see, oh, what I'm allowing me now because the other one I can't. I need you know, what kind of everyone. I was saying, I have to say, yeah, you lose again. I could find out anybody. Yeah, the party about power. It is a deep papa, your friend say. Power, no. I had been there, yeah. Now you to me some car. Now, yeah. What kind of leaders are we? Never drawn against the Masa, Mr. Obia Wojira as executive member in Nasra.
All right, so Sompa 106.5 FM today. Ralph, what's your company? Yeah.
Chamabute right.
All
right. And right now, you're right because we name this party very well. And I can tell you, among all the executives, he's the most experienced.
Chairman Bute?
Yes.
Experience as in what?
Why constituency chairman? Obe regional chairman? Obe the first vice? Omo executives ni nyina. National chairman, meaning say at the point, no first vice, but he has never been a regional chairman. He has never been a constituency chairman. Papa Okasa, a third vice.
Yeah.
Second vice of the party, also the same. Third vice, the minimum said the first time or third vice near. Organizer, what do youth organizer back on the regional organizer or the national organizer? General secretary, or a regional youth organizer, Ashanti region, not the general secretary. It booted here. Why a party adjuma from the constituency, not the abaso. It will what entails. So election now Lusua only the causes of the man is hardly anybody to cause will be aqua. He mean well for the party. Also, cause on Guinea on
yeah,
okay. Party no. Party no is the most important asset now. I will see you protecting. It is a interest. So if we say national executive or election, now imagine. Also the 137 there about 88.
Yeah. 137 to back to 88.
It is cool now, and I do also bank repeat two. Oh, I can go repeat two. So I got one. It's not sincerity. Yeah, Chamabu taken. Or you're very right. Or what I mean, I'm telling you.
Now, would you be surprised about me at now, not 2028, more winning elections?
Said the delegates, yes, Abri.
Delegates, how many Abri?
Amendments I have by sending United to be proposed ones here by bar. Said the MP for years Abri. Mobia. I don't put who science, you know.
Sompa FM.
Of really science, you know. A two uncle Jenny Guassier. So I've said it somewhere, say. So, a young man, now executive, you know. I mean, what? Time when the time was so exited. Now, quite a jumo form. Now, where I can. And next time, oh, Barney, I do. You all can now lose here. You are gone forever. Your palm says here, you are gone forever. And I'll connect with Tenacia, Umran and Grano Modi 18, 21, Omunimu. Like I said, I'm your former dear, two cow peer film, no quack Juma. Now they are building one. You are there, NDC, General Mosquito.
Yeah.
Why MP? Why General Secretary? And our chairman. Omu General Secretary Fifi Kwete. Why MP? Why Minister? I said don't cut across the minister. Why minister? And our other General Secretary. What you say? Omu organizer cry.
Ah, say you are national chairman.
Or national. Omu organizer cry him.
Yeah, Fred is saying.
Yeah, me organizer.
Debbie.
Current NDC organizer. Joseph Yamin.
Joseph
Yamin. Busa, say Kumasi, who knew how he started his politics.
Yeah.
Why minister? I regional executive. Oh Kumasi. I regional minister. The deputy minister. And then the regional organizer. Opa ye di fatu to. E onipa obetumi compare yi ni di afrim ye budi. Eti won match na ye kobo no. As a Brazil ne Ghana na ebo. E da ya onum so belusu. Etutu a obizi e di preko. Cause when you dia na akwakoye yi. Eti my brother at this time the eyan nipa omo that omo caliber ne NDC de na obetumi match omo.
And too much as a caliber na horses here no in terms of personnel no. I'm going to be matching this for.
General Mosquito. No onye Chelsea. General Mosquito.
That's why they say Chelsea. She say Chelsea crowd. They say
Chelsea. Me the ball crowd minim but you say a big team, a big club.
Cause if you are not a Barca.
But no also or Barcelona. Oh, it is
Liverpool. Me grab reality.
We should no more win now. They should just step aside. Me crowd them me here. I think bro for you me different.
But say the whole cast delegates na ward no.
MP before na any abre.
MP before you now.
Omani abre. Na let's share call ya campaign. Campaign as a be here no mo dem. Campaign as a be here no mo dem. Including MPs and the executives. This is an MPP election makwa who say motor cry visible a friend say rural areas. Who see motorbikes say visible rural areas. Party security a breaky. Now when a Juma so her son no man. And executives. To walk went to be on your way. I mean the best thing for you. So we say we be your credibility kakra they can who protecting and next time we say buto person who protecting there.
Yeah.
On pen him go as if and
on the so on kubio.
Also say on the exit.
Or exit.
At the appropriate time. Ofi say when you have credibility kakra abeka de on ho a e bi obesraba.
Ba hwa chairman buten komo ya enu ai to dwa e wo fidue mu ha ya. That's what you say edu be bi no na as a Ekotia party no ana
Ekotia party ni say da bi ade bi o wan kan untimi nko animu. Ade bi o wan kan untimi nko animu. Ekotia party ni say people have said this over and over and over say in the interest of the executives we say omo abekom go kona kwaji humiliating defeater. One way no feel crowd to raw. And the signs are on the wall. But without due respect, at the end of the day,
you talked about some reforms, I am paying for you within the party. Propose to say,
we cried a young paying for one per se, and the crime who's a general secretary issue. Let me have a say, Bia, who are dream be a person of the baby.
Who makes me there?
Bias. Whom we own.
Who's I've not cited
about any Mammy, on the phone. I mean,
I have not seen that later.
Mammy fan send it. o producer
if I send the producer now fan
send the producer letter ba ene ya say the aye no wow ideas be out the person the request for submission of amendment proposal.
Yeah. Oh, that's what kind of I think we can go on and you know
me the more producer said the bear we know ubia na so yes until you shall be say so be a party even you provide you email address
to that effect.
Yes. Until meaning say going for nipa bebre pese sa delegate system no cry scrapping. Na ka card by members eto.
No san komono mate. Sa delegate system no am unfortunate say wa wo ska bebre wo na obetimi awene.
Wa wo
ska no na betimi awene.
It's true.
Na Ken ska always I didn't na Ken into me when it's the delegate an election with the delegate.
Ken individual no fight entire presidency. Yes, at that time that was a position. At that time, yes. At that time, but the embassy because I mean,
yeah,
at that time, no. And we're a known fact. A known fact.
It was Ken against the entire leadership of the party.
Leadership, presidency,
entire leadership, presidency,
and the other. Me can say entire leadership because now be our kakra.
That's fine.
Exactly. But as for the presidency, then any day, I can tell you.
No go area.
Na sada net here. Oh, but me say or not. Irini ya Kenya baby e woni. Kebesisa. I'm telling you.
And then our GDP say Ken say MPP for to ababa no so make him frank anama MPP for. This is be no betimi dey aba.
The man has over 19 companies. Nipa of form we say crumble 7,000 as far as I know. Ghana nipa ehia ne sisi a businessman ote tone koton ase. Enye Harvard businessman ode Wall Street and stock market analysis. Ena ye manifesto no abaka che Ghana for say me ko university wa me yese me kuta PhD. Sa language in Ghana for entias you. On say wo ba mo kwan so edwoma blocky.
Yeah.
Tone koton language etias ye no. If you are practical person, will be all practical experience. What do you say? Omo call contest. That time no, na MPP possible contenders on beba. Why now practical experience or what need business offer Ghana for? You need somebody like that because say who was say I radio adwuma. Na me ko fa me ba say me fa Abochie na ba. Na me radio adwuma Abochie. And I will so na take Ghana. They do adwuma me a. Who feels all listeners so 2 days. That's what better because the system me ntiase. Ba wo de unim hawa we adwuma we you. Eti ehia obi a ot system na say why adwuma o mu a why successful o. To say wo na do di anima e be boy. Ba ni people feel so mu interesting ti. Oh, you say the news so she we are there obeche wo be say. Ba no so na nka be boy. I know PhD ne doctorate ne you know. And they apply no you Wall Street too. Because on a stock market too. Somebody can easily sit in his room comfort zone and make $10 million this year. I had the end the hard way. Money member no good job no.
But say Rafu kana sa. I say more PhDs ne. Or do that kind of level in the academia, professors. They'll be heck.
No, and cassette. I'm saying, say, the caliber of Nipo Moko contest that time. No.
Okay, good.
He was the only practical person. He was the only practical person. And Ghana, you are bread lawyers. You are here businessman.
To run the country.
Exactly. No run as business. And within the MPP, he's the most successful businessman. It will end the same way. Because, and 2017, me can't do last man name here. Because Mr. Sense Kakwabuchi. What do I say? 401 said 3.9. 2020, 4 year coalition, I say.
No, it was around 15, 16.
Yeah, and can say if the fundamentals are weak, the dollar exchange
Exchange, yeah.
And I say Harvard Oxford no brofo. Also apply na hanyi. Sometimes practical
So what differently would Kennedy have done? So no the vice president of the republic at that time to safeguard RCD.
Sompa FM.
Oh, eh? Who person economics pa?
Oh, kakra.
Yeah, said that anytime.
Oh, time oh.
Eh? I mean, try there.
Train.
Or no, not the policy back, especially sir. One district, one factory. No. He said it say one district, one factory. You first you can't go tourism. And a businessman body a question in some one day in market cars. No more discount. We are on 2 million accounts. No. Government, who a businessman, maybe a government. Exim Bank ni. We partner 3. Machines now open up so there be a chocolate factory no. Yeah, Palmer who so scam. At all time your inspectors will make sure say factory no be see. Who see we are here adwuma no. You who returns no. Na call. You see that is practical because why be that? Ebi no. So we are no na say wa produce no more ha. O dollar ntimi nko sa. O kra no ma ba dey say o dollar be. Well, the policy may be good, but implementation, you know, because nipa na the policy nipa on paper na good no. Ono wan kasa onye be practically though.
Book mu de no.
Book mu de. Obi obi to because my intro business proposal. My business say, "U business be na wa say, me ko sua no school business proposal atro." Gibberish. Eti baby I do no critical. Any brofu bebrebe. Any discipline. Any discipline or see a discipline. Say nya obi a practical side discipline. Na e di no kra Ghana 40 ombo say, "Hey, where do you be discipline wa?" Eno kra no stabilize it. Yeah, indiscipline no.
Now, ukasa no ka bibi say you see the business as partnership. Ebia your financial institution bi wa ha.
Yeah.
Your aban so wa ha. You're the businessman. Na ukwako kra ade free amanonia. Sika no yemfa nhye businessman nsa. Aban na be kra machines ni nyina e de aba. E de abema. No mama nkrofo amonitor e de ama. And I want to ask, when it comes to the maintenance of the machines in this way.
But I'm saying that because, and I'll come to the maintenance.
Okay,
because yeah, Exim Bank or her answer crowd we are about approve scam. This yes, you be the 10%. Yes, you need to be. We be out $1 million. Yes, you need to be the 10%. Into we say any penny free 10% in year. Yeah, this can ma we be also idea fair offer. All who likes this people so to be. We so much pressure so zoom your car. Factories also come home. Now 10% now we need to na waje ekono. Ono no because waje 10 into no monitoring yana sem. Say ni pa na friend 10% no. Ono waje o. Ade e fair offer. It wonu fi say adasa akwe dey waje dey amede dem pe am timi e. Tade you end up with be 100,000 cedis. Ukwa untumi nya ntina factories in be ro akwa mo be kono esisi ho no. That's the reason I'm telling you.
10%.
The nipa 10% no. The nipa the full name no.
Nipa the full name.
Full name 10%. Oh. It is a aban no ekoto brew. Na se bi asase ne wo de aban no equity. Ewom asase ne wo de aban no equity. One wo ye no. Se machines essay a won hwe ma ense because wo no wakoje bosen a won so mu a ye de ato ade abre o se e ho adwuma. That will put your ass to work. And who here will be practical. I'm telling you, this man recently, why be? Huge factory, employees. Okoso mu asa dane no. Well, the home crowd me appointment in them because